So here, let us draw a shape first. Okay, so this is the shape, and the name of this shape is arrow. Now let us identify the number of sides and angles for the shape. The sides are straight lines. The sides are easy to count on this shape. Side 1, side 2, side 3, side 4, side 5, side 6, and side 7. The angles or corners where two sides meet. I have to count the angles that point into and not just the angles that point out. So here we go. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7. This shape has 7 sides and 7 angles. Now let us find out how many sides and angles does this shape have. I can count 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see 3 sides on the top and 3 sides on the bottom. Now let me count the angles. 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle, 4 angle, 5 angle, 6 angle. I see 3 angles on the left and 3 angles on the right. That means there are 6 sides and 6 angles. So the shape that has 6 sides and 6 angles is called a hexagon. Polygons. What is a polygon? A polygon is a shape that has more than 2 sides, and also it is a closed figure. Now let me draw a shape. Is this shape a polygon? To find whether it's a polygon, we have to count the number of sides. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, and 5 sides. A polygon is a shape that has 2 or more sides, and also it is a closed figure. Is this shape a polygon? Yes, it is a polygon. This polygon has 5 sides and 5 angles. Let's see the angles. 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle, 4 angle, and 5 angle. This polygon has 5 sides and 5 angles. That makes it a pentagon. What do we call a polygon with 5 sides and 5 angles? Yes, a polygon with 5 sides and 5 angles is a pentagon. Take a look at this polygon. Both polygons have 3 sides and 3 angles. Let us count the number of sides. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side for the first shape. The second shape, 1 side, 2 side, 3 side. Even though they look different, they are both triangles since they have 3 sides and 3 angles. All triangles must have 3 sides and 3 angles. By changing the size of the angles and the length of the sides, I can make all kinds of different triangles. This one is a long and skinny. Now let me draw a shape with 4 sides and 4 angles. What do we call a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles? A polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles is called a quadrilateral. What do we call a polygon with 5 sides and 5 angles? A polygon with 5 sides and 5 angles is called a pentagon. What do we call a polygon with 6 sides and 6 angles? A polygon with 6 sides and 6 angles is called a hexagon. Do you know a shape with 4 sides and 4 angles? It's okay if you don't. Now let me draw a shape with 4 sides and 4 angles. A shape with 4 sides and 4 angles is called a quadrilateral. The word quad means 4 and lateral means sides. Do all pentagons look the same? Let's take a closer look at the name pentagon. Penta means 5 and gon means angles. So the word pentagon means 5 angles. Now let me draw some triangles. What do you notice from these shapes? What attributes do they share? All the shapes are closed shape. That is one of an attribute. All the shapes have 3 sides. That is also an attribute. And all the shapes here have 3 angles. That is also an attribute. Create a shape with 6 sides and 6 angles. What do you call a shape with 6 sides and 6 angles? Yes, a shape with 6 sides and 6 angles is called a hexagon. What attributes do they share? All the hexagons are closed shapes. And all the hexagons have 6 sides. And all the hexagons have 6 angles. So these are the attributes that they share among all the hexagons. That means these attributes are common in all the hexagons.